Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, here you will search about the application of Pluto TV and you will enter here in this window. Then here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your